Today, we're exploring 35 acres of Tennessee paradise with a large pond, expansive rolling hills, and a home built for family memories. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the serenity and privacy this property offers, tucked away in a peaceful setting, yet conveniently accessible. to overlook the pond and rolling pastures. The view is nothing short of breathtaking, especially at sunrise or sunset. Outdoors, the estate continues to impress. The property includes multiple outbuildings for storage, hobby space, or workshops. One standout feature is the 80 by 80 under-roof metal structure nestled in the woods, partially finished as 1,600 square feet of living space, with an additional 40 by 60 shop area built with 6-inch concrete for heavier equipment. This offers versatility for guests, projects, or a combination of both. The pond, combined with the natural timber and open pastures, provides a perfect playground for recreation, fishing, or simply soaking in the scenery. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an entertainer, or someone looking for a peaceful family retreat, this Tennessee property is a rare opportunity that blends comfort, utility, and stunning natural beauty. Don't miss the chance to make this remarkable estate your own.